How to connect Gmail to n8n. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can connect Gmail to n8n. So let's dive in. So first open up your browser and search for n8n on your PC and then log in into your n8n account. Now you're going to see a page like this over here, and here you have to click start from scratch. Now it's going to bring up this page over here and you have to wait for it to load, and then you have to click add first step, and then it's going to bring you to the search bar, and here you have to search for Gmail. Once you do so, it's going to pop up with this many options and you have to click Gmail over here. And now you can choose actions or you can choose on message received. That's a trigger. And then it's going to pop up with this window. On this window, click select credential and it's going to give you this drop down menu and you have to choose create new credential. Now you can choose your service account or you can just choose this one option. This is recommended. Now you simply have to click sign in with Google over here, and then you can see the credential successfully created. Now just simply choose an account that you would like to add to this, and then you have to just click this option over here and you have to click select all. Just read through all these options and then you have to click continue. Now once you do so, it's going to bring you over here, and here you can see the connection is now successful and this window will close automatically. Now click this cross over here and your connection is successful, and that's how you connect n8n to Gmail account. Thanks for watching.